Setting up Cisco VPN connections and have a CSQ profile file. This contains VPN connection settings for Cisco's enterprise VPN client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Cisco VPN client profile files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective CSQ file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A user encountering a CSQ file is typically an IT professional or employee trying to configure a virtual private network, VPN connection. This file contains pre-configured settings like server addresses, group names, and authentication details, simplifying the setup process for the Cisco VPN client software. The CSQ format is a proprietary plain text configuration file. Its structure uses simple key-value pairs, making it easily readable and editable by administrators. This text-based design was chosen for its simplicity, allowing for easy distribution and manual modification without specialized tools, which is crucial for enterprise deployment. Windows registers the CSQ file as an opener for Cisco VPN Client developed by Cisco Systems, Inc. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows may open the file easily, but safe modification requires knowledge of each setting's effect. We'll systematically check the compatibility list. Right-click your CSQ file, then click Open With. Test Cisco VPN Client, if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This organized testing is vital. If your CSQ file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, importing in Cisco VPN Client. Install the Cisco VPN Client or Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. Use the import option in the application's profile management interface and locate the CSQ file. The client adds the connection profile, making it available for VPN connections to your enterprise network. Next, editing configuration. Open the CSQ file in a text editor to view connection parameters since some Cisco profiles use plain text formats. Modify server addresses or other parameters carefully, as incorrect changes prevent successful VPN connections. Back up the original before modifications and verify changes work properly. Finally, migrating to AnyConnect. Cisco's older VPN client has been replaced by Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. Convert CSQ profiles by manually recreating the connection in AnyConnect with equivalent server settings. Modern AnyConnect uses XML-based profiles distributed centrally by network administrators rather than client-side CSQ files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.